Welcome to The Voices, a lifestyle destination designed for modern living. This vibrant complex features 9 towers, a lively courtyard, a swimming pool, a gym, and a community hall. Hello, my name is Arif and I'm the founder and principal at Zero Inch Interiors Ltd. Today I'm excited to showcase one of our most challenging yet rewarding projects situated at The Voices, Ispahani Colony, Mogbazar. This stunning apartment span 2,500 square foot belongs to a young professional who is marketing director for a multinational company. Our client faced an urgent situation. His father was undergoing a medical emergency, which meant we had to complete this design and execution in just 25 days. This included crafting custom-made furniture such as the sofa, bed, and cabinets. It was a massive challenge, but when I shared it with the team, their passion and determination were truly inspiring. I'm proud of how they tackled this project with the full commitment. Our client's vision was for a modern, open, and minimalistic space that feels warm and inviting. Here, the dining area flows seamlessly into a living space, creating harmony and inviting atmosphere. We designed a custom marble dining table to complement this vision. In the family living area, comfort meets functionality with a bespoke sofa and minimalist custom TV cabinets, both designed to enhance the room's aesthetics and create a warm and inviting atmosphere. One of the highlights of this apartment is a sleek, modern dining wagon that serves both as a pantry and a storage unit. The kitchen merges the style and functionality, fully equipped with modern amenities, tailored to suit the client's needs while maintaining the overall minimalist aesthetics. Even in smaller space like the hand wash area, we focused on blending elegance with practicality, ensuring that every inch of this apartment reflects thoughtful design. Throughout the apartment, simplicity and elegance take center stage, with unique features like a custom mirror, thoughtfully curated artwork, and a meticulously crafted closet. I couldn't be more proud of my team for their creativity and dedication. It was a challenging journey, but the results are a testament to their hard work and skill. Thank you for joining me on this tour of Voices. We look forward to creating more beautiful space in the future.